Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I will be reviewing the Laxcare hair remover, which is a razor that gently removes your facial hair painlessly. It's inexpensive, only £15, bought from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing one of these. I'm not being sponsored for this product, so let's get started. And there it is, nice and compact, and it does come with step-by-step instructions. Hello indeed. So this device removes facial hair gently and painlessly, and it's suitable for daily use, and it states it will leave your skin smooth as well. Underneath the device is the tiny cleaning brush. One side is longer than the other and is very effective at cleaning the device. I love the design as well. It's not bulky and it gets slimmer towards the bottom, making it easy for you to grasp hold of and use. It requires one AA battery, which isn't included. Just turn the bottom bit to open to insert the battery, and to operate, twist the bottom bit the opposite way for it to work. It has a built-in light, making it easier to see your hairs as you go along. It states you have to massage the place you want to shave to let the skin relax. Use a hot towel for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the skin. So let's just pretend I've already done that. Okay, let's now give it a go, starting on the side of my face. So basically you're meant to go in slow circular movements. It's designed to be used in your upper lip, chin, side of face and neck area. It works on peach fuzz or fine hair. My camera isn't the best of cameras, so it's not picking up my fine hairs on my face, but I can tell you I definitely do have fine facial hair, especially along my jawline there. So moving down towards the chin area where I tend to get 1 or 2 coarser hairs, but I don't think it's designed to remove thicker hairs, so I'm going to have to use my tweezers to pull those hairs out. It feels great actually, there's no pain, doesn't irritate my skin, and there's no mess. The device can hold quite a lot of hair in one go, so you don't have to always clean the head every time you use it. You can go over the same spot more than once without causing any damage to your skin. It's quick to use, should only take between 5 or 10 minutes to do your whole face. Okay, I'm now going to do the other side of my face. You can also use this on other parts of the body, like your legs, arms, etc. The Laxcare acts like an electric razor, which does not pull hair from the root, but gets so close to the skin without irritating it. And the measurements are 1.2 inches by 1 by 4.4 inches, so small enough to fit in your handbag and take it around with you when you need it. It has a high quality steel blade, Ipx6 Waterproof. So what does that mean? Basically it can resist high pressure, heavy sprays of water. Okay, I can tell you it has removed my fine hairs, and because my camera is rubbish at picking this up, I'm now going to test it out for you on my hairy arms. So there you can clearly see the hairs on my arms, so you should now see how effective this product is at removing my hairs. So the hairs will not grow back thicker. I know that some people might be worried about this. Shaving only removes the hairs from the surface of your skin. It doesn't affect the way your hair will grow back, so don't worry about that. The only negative thing I would say is it did not remove my coarser hairs that I have on my chin. In the end, I did have to use my tweezer to completely get rid of those, but bear that in mind. This product is best used cleaning the product. To clean the device, all you have to do is twist the lid anti-clockwise and it should come off. So there you can see the hairs. So you also have to clean the razor bit as well. Okay, I'm now going to the bathroom. I'm going to clean it over a bath so you can clearly see how much hair it's collected. So let me just remove the top bit and this brush does come in handy cleaning the device very effectively. The bristles are very tough. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. It's a little brush. Yeah, look at that. That's how much hair it's collected, quite a lot. Most of it from my arms. Would I recommend this product? Yes, actually, I would recommend this product. I wasn't sure that it would at first remove any hairs, but it did. It was quick and easy to use. I would give this product a 7 out of 10. It didn't irritate my skin like the facial hair remover creams, and there's no real mess apart from cleaning the head, that is. So if you like this product, then just click on the description box, and it would also make a nice Christmas present as well. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Please leave me a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of more videos that are coming out soon. And that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.